Whether you have decided to rebrand your business or change your business name entirely, there's more than one reason as to why you may need to change your Instagram name. You clicked on this video because you want to know how to change your Instagram username, so today I'm going to show you how, and at the end I'm sharing 3 important tips you need to keep in mind when you're changing it. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. Super quick before we get started, go ahead and like this video for me, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the business growing videos that we put out every single week. All right, so first let me show you how to change your Instagram username on mobile. First, go to your profile, and to clarify, this is your username and this is your name, or sometimes called display name. Your username is what people use with the @ sign to mention you in stories and posts. So this is the one you'll be changing if you want to change the username. Click Edit Profile and tap the username box. From there, you can change your name to whatever you want it to be. Once you hit done, Instagram will tell you if that username is already taken, or if it's not, it will save your new username. The process for changing your Instagram username on desktop is pretty much the same. Just log in at www.instagram.com, click to your profile, click Edit Profile, change your username to whatever you want it to be, and then scroll down to click Submit. Again, Instagram will let you know if your username is already taken or if you can successfully change it. Now, before you go, I have a couple important things to remember when changing your Instagram username that you're gonna wanna stay for. But first, here is a quick message from one of our co-founders, Sherman.
Hey, we just helped a small business make over $1.5 million through Facebook advertising. And after managing millions of dollars in ad spend for thousands of different small businesses, we have decided to give away everything we learned to you in a special program. If you want to learn the blueprint to success, the best practices from some of the fastest growing companies in the world, and all of the different tools you will need, then sign up for our social ads training program today.
All right, so 3 important things to remember when changing your Instagram username. Number 1, make sure you want to change your username before changing it. A name change can be confusing to followers, and for small businesses, the last thing you want to do is make brand awareness harder. So take a moment to list out the reasons why you want to change your username and decide if it's worth taking a potential step back in branding. Number 2, be confident in the name you want to change it to. Once you change your username, your old one is up for grabs to other people, and if they take your original username that you later decide you want back, then there's not much you can do other than potentially reach out to them and see if they're willing to swap with you, but I wouldn't bet on that. And lastly, number 3, I would try to keep the usernames across all of your social media accounts the same. Piggybacking off of number 1, it makes it easier for customers to find you online if your username is your business name and is the same on your Instagram as it is on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on. If ours was LYFE Marketing on Instagram, but LYFE MKTG on Facebook, and LYFE spelled LIFE Marketing on Twitter, you can see how that would be confusing to followers. They would wonder which one was the real LYFE Marketing, and the confusion could lead to distrust, which leads them to not use our service. The same principle applies to all businesses. So that's why I just say make it easy for yourself and your customers and keep your username the same across all platforms and as identical to your business name as you can get it. So now that we've covered how to change your username and best practices, do you still have questions or anything I didn't cover that you were hoping I would? If so, leave a comment for me and I'll get back to you there. Otherwise, that about wraps up everything I have for you today, guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell before you go, and I will see you in the next episode.